Now we are going to understand the basic concept of the triple sort problem of the code chef. The problem code was TRELSRT. Okay. So the problem was like we are given a permutation of an array of which is 1 through n. So you have to perform k operations up to k operations, and the operations are like you have to choose any three elements from the array, and you can perform a right cyclic shift on that element, and you have to print the indices of these elements in the order you have chosen them. Okay, so let's take the example which was given in the question, which is 3 2 4 1. So if we sort this array, it will look like 1 2 3 4. And if you look closely in these two arrays, you will see the position of 2 is intact. I mean, the position of 2 is its original position. We don't have to touch the element 2. Okay. Now, what we have to think first, we have to choose those elements which are not in their original position. Okay. Like the 3, 4, and 1. So, now we are choosing 3, 4, and 1, and performing a right cyclic shift on these three elements. We will get 1, 3, and 4. And after putting these elements back to the original array, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a sorted array. I'll explain this with example, another example. Let's take 8, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 7, 2, and we have to sort this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are going to do this in three stages. Okay, in the first stage, we are going to choose three elements such that all the three elements will go to their original position on performing the operation. In second stage, we will choose three elements such that two of them will go to their original position, and in the third step, we will try to move at least one element to their original. Why are we doing the shifting in like operations like in these three stages? These stages are required such that we can sort the array in the minimal operation. If you will see the subtask, and if you want to complete 100% of the question, you have to perform the operation, the sorting in the minimal operation. Okay, so these three stages are required. So let's see how we are going to sort this array. We will choose 8, 1, and 2 as our three elements, and we will perform the right cyclic shift. The indices will be as 1, which is the position of 8, 8, which is the position of 2, and 2, which is the position of 1. Okay. On performing the right cyclic shift, see, 8, 1, and 2 will go to their respective position 1, 2, and 8. Okay. Now we will get 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, 3, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. After choosing the element 3, 5, and 6 and performing the right cyclic shift, we will see that only 3 goes to its original position and rest of 6 and 5 are not in their original position. Okay, and we will now again we have to perform the operation on these 6, 4, and 5, and on performing the right cyclic shift, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, taking these indices 4, 6, and 5. Okay. If you have understood this problem, I'll explain once again how these stages are being used. Okay, so to perform this sorting in these three stages. Okay, in the first stage, we will only check for the three elements where all three can go to their original position. Now in the second stage, when we are going to choose three elements such that two will go to their original place, before choosing this element, we have to search if any elements are there which satisfy the stage 1 condition. Okay. If there is not, then we'll go for second stage. And in the third stage, likewise, we will search for first stage situation, second stage, then third stage. So this video was about the concept of the triple sort question of CodeChef. If you want the code, I will give the link in the description. You can check out the code there. This video was just to tell you the concept of triple sort. If I would suggest you to write your own code before checking the code from the description, and then you can tally the code with mine, or you can check the logic if whatever you need. So if you think the video was useful, you can like, subscribe, share, and thank you.